Hey, what's up guys? So today I'll discuss on Microsoft Corporation MSFT. So what's going on in Microsoft Corporation and what's up? Like are you making millions of dollars or not? If not making yet, you will make. Don't worry. Okay, so what's going on in Microsoft? In one day it is $3.91 down. So in 5 days it is it is up from $471.17 to $474.96, a little bit up, not a great deal of up. So what about 1 month? In 1 month period it is up a little bit, very much up, like from $453.13 to $474.96, which is a really good move for 5 days. 1 month. So what about 6 months? So in 6 months it looks like almost sideways, but no, it's not exactly sideways. It was $451.59, so it means that it has gone up by $23. It's not sideways. Okay, so from that stage it went down quite a bit, like to $354.56. Wow. And then it rebounded to today's level of $474.96. So on June 13 it's really in good position. And in 1 year, so what happened in 1 year? In 1 year also it's not completely like sideways, like it was $448.37. So from that stage it is $474.96. So it is not complete sideways movement. There was a gain of $26, more than $26. Okay, so it's not sideways as well, but it went down significantly. Like it went down to $354 and then rebounded quite nicely. So in 1 year it is not down, it is up. In 5 years it is up big time. It is almost double. You see, it's more than double. It was $195.15 5 years ago. It is now $474.96. So apart from capital gains, you also enjoy dividend earnings. So it is a good stock. Really, it's a good stock. You see, if you see the price, return movements, return statistics. So in 1 year time frame, it gave 8.38% return, while S&P 500 index gave 10%. In 3 years, it beat S&P 500 index convincingly by 42%, right? Because it is only 59% for S&P 500, while in 3 year Microsoft gave 101%. It is like 41% higher, 42% higher. And in 5 year period it is like almost double return than S&P 500, because S&P 500 gave 96% and it gave 164%, which is like too much high return compared to S&P 500, right? So it's magnificent. What about financials? So the financials, it's making great profit margin, 35.79%. It's making great return on equity, 33.61%. Its EPS is also a bit okay. It's not too good, but it's okay because it's a growth stock. It's not a bad stock. Okay. So what about trailing P? It is 36.70, while the forward P is 31.65. So it is not in a bad shape because it also gives you capital gains, right? So it's doing fantastic. So what about analyst price expectations? They are estimating the stock should be $514.34, while this is now in $474.96. So according to analyst expectations, the stock should be $40 more in value. So it is undervalued according to the analysts. Also, it is according to me that the stock is undervalued and the stock should go up and up, and this stock is going to give you capital gain and also it's gonna give you dividends. So this stock is not bad stock at all. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.